Hey, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Today I'm doing a second video of my three-part series of my infused compound butters for you. Today we're using fruit. Alrighty, we're going to be doing a whipped strawberry cream infused compound butter. Our next video, tomorrow, we're going to be doing a whipped honey butter infused. Alrighty, let's get started on that whipped infused strawberry cream cannabis butter right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell to get notifications of upcoming videos, and let your friends know about the channel too. But we're starting off with 1/2 pound of strawberries fresh. I'm going to dice these up into small pieces, put them in our saute pan, and cook them on low. Then we're going to add 4 ounces of heavy cream, and once again the whole time we're just going to simmer this on a low temperature. Get it going, then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of infused cannabis sugar, which came in at about approximately 40 milligrams of THC. And once again, this is always on low. You can see the color change as it sautés lightly and reduces very, very slowly. There we go, look at that. When it's reduced and thick, we're gonna remove it from the heat, let it cool for a few minutes, and we're gonna place it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, we've had our cannabis butter at room temperature. Now that our strawberry cream is cooled, we're going to add it to our cannabis butter, and we're going to blend this real well with a hand blender for 2 or 3, maybe 4 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. We're going to place it on our parchment paper. We're going to roll this up. There we go, rolling it up, and we're going to twist the edges, and we always label what we have. We're going to store this in the freezer, and we're going to label what we got. What we got today is approximately 805 milligrams of THC out of this batch of our strawberry infused cannabis butter. This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel, click that little bell, and also send us in your comments and share with your friends. Hey, until next time, happy cannabis cooking.